95% of what you see on social media about arbitrage trading is a lie. And most times people just want to use clickbait, lure you into seeing their videos, not necessarily explaining how to make money through arbitrage. And because it is one very easy way to make money, a lot of us are so eager to start exploring this particular opportunity, and it is not working if we would want to be truthful to ourselves. Okay, in this video, I want to explain exactly why arbitrage trading is not working for you. This is definitely because you are not doing it rightly, or you probably don't have the full knowledge of how this works. Okay, by definition, arbitrage trading is you taking advantage of the price difference between two different exchanges. Let's say one Bitcoin is equivalent to $27,000 on a particular exchange, and you can buy it at that exchange and sell it elsewhere where it is 27,500 or 28,000 possibly. That way you are instantly going to make $500 to $1,000 in a very short period of time. So this is actually one simple way to make money. It sounds really interesting, but in most cases it is not like that. Just like you had me define arbitrage, it is taking advantage of the price difference, taking advantage. Some persons would say you would make a lot of money if you buy cryptocurrency with one fiat and then you send it to another country, and sell it with their local currency. You're going to make money and all of that. Well, does that really work? I'm going to be answering all of that in this video, and I'm going to be sharing with us as well the one and only way to make money through arbitrage. Yes, Onoja Nathaniel is my name, and on this channel I teach you how to make money, especially through cryptocurrencies and various ways you can make money online. You would want to subscribe to my channel if you have not. Okay, this is one way to support me into making good videos that will profit you like this. If you haven't joined my Telegram channel, I'm going to drop the link in the description box so you can join as soon as you can. All right, I drop daily signals every day telling us what to buy and what to sell, and we'll be making money back to back. So you wouldn't want to miss that. All right, without wasting your time, let's go straight into the business of the day. The first thing I'm going to show us right here is why majority of what you see about arbitrage is not working. Some persons would go further to say use the P2P. When you buy, you can set a sell order, then you increase the dollar rates, and it's going to make money for you, or it's going to help you make money. Well, some of these things that I explained are actually money laundering, especially those that say you can buy from one country, send to another country, sell it there, then you get your money back. Well, that is not actually easy. I tried all of this, and I'm going to be sharing my experience as well in this video so you can learn from me and learn to do it rightly. First of all, let's go straight into Binance so I can show you exactly what I'm talking about. Now, this is my Binance application, and I'm just going to open the P2P trading right away. This is the P2P interface, and as you can see right here, the rates per dollar right now is 740.45 Naira per dollar. Yes, say I want to buy 1 million Naira worth of USDT. Okay, it is going to be around 1,400. Okay, I'm going to search for 1 million Naira here. Okay, and you can see the amount I would be able to purchase 1 million Naira. Okay, this is the rate, which is 740.60. All right, so okay, this person is already taken, so I'll just go with this guy. Okay, 1 million Naira is what I want to use for this P2P. Now, this is what I will get as the equivalence, which is 1,350.25. Now, remember I just bought this at the rate of 740.6. Now, let's go to sell. If I want to sell this asset, I am going to be selling it at this rate because the selling rate is usually lower than the buying rates on Binance and on any exchange. Well, if you are buying a particular asset, as a business person, of course, you wouldn't want to sell it, below what you just bought. Okay, the reason we prefer using Binance is because the rates are, much more better and, favorable to traders. Now, you can see that from 740.6, we are now selling at 739.41. Now, some persons will say you don't have to, do live trade here, you can go to Express and set your own amount, which means you are going to put in how much you want to sell your own. You can say that you're going to be selling your own USDT at 741 or 742, which means you are adding that little price margin. Meanwhile, there is no way you would add as much as 5 naira or 5 points to how much is in the market, because right now you see people selling at 739.4. If you put your price at 740 or 741, nobody's going to patronize you, of course. We would want to buy from people whose price are still within 740 and thereabouts. Now, if I'm going to be placing my trade and I am going to say I want to sell this thing at let's say 742. Remember, I bought 1,335 USDT with my 1 million naira, and I want to place a trade now, and I want to say I'm going to be selling this thing at 742. Now, this is how much I'm going to make at the end of the day. Sorry, let me use my calculator here. 350.25, okay, multiply by 742. So this is how much I am going to make. This is 1,001,885. Now, because you used 742 as your rate for selling, okay, you are going to make 1,885 with 1 million naira. With 1 million naira. Emphasis on the 1 million naira. A lot of us who want to take advantage of arbitrage don't have this much funds, and most times we want to try it with 100,000 naira or 200,000 naira or even 500,000 naira. Now, what it means is that you are going to make less than 700 naira when you are trading with 500,000 naira. You want to do this process with 100,000 naira, you are making less than 200 naira, which cannot even subscribe your phone for 2 days. Now, this is one reason the P2P arbitrage is not really paying off. Okay, when I see people make videos about this, and I'm like, this is not paying, and you will be truthful to yourself, it does not work. How do you then make money through this arbitrage? Now, before I tell us how to make money through arbitrage, okay, I want to explain one more thing that gets people excited. If you see a particular asset on an exchange, let's say Dogecoin is trading on Binance at let's say $1, for example, and then there is this other exchange where you see that Dogecoin is 1.1. So you want to quickly buy from Binance and go sell it there, right? One thing you would want to be mindful of is that some exchanges are scam, and most times when they put this price action, they just want to lure people there so that at the end of the day, your money will be trapped there. Is either you will have verification problem, or there will be difficulties in your withdrawal when you eventually deposit, or even your deposit will not go through. One thing or the other. Some of the things we need to put into consideration is how much does this exchange cost me when I want to send this asset out? And then how much is it going to cost me to convert this asset? Let's say you buy Bitcoin, you want to sell it to USDT before you send your USDT. There are processes to this and there are charges. How then can you make money through arbitrage? What is the most trusted way to make money through arbitrage? This is through new listings. New listing is new cryptocurrency coming into markets. They are launching afresh, and new tokens like that, when they are newly launched, there is a high tendency that we are going to have price lagging. Okay, there is going to be a different rate on some exchange, and then on the other exchange there's going to be another rate. This happens frequently. As a matter of fact, I took advantage of this particular method of arbitrage trading when Arbitron was launched. It was it had different price on different exchange for that moment. I think it lasted for a few hours, and then everything went back to normal. So if you hear of a new listing, a particular token that is being listed on multiple exchange, you can register on this exchange and wait for the price difference. That way you can quickly buy. And the downside for this most times is that when you quickly buy for a token that is newly listed, some exchange like Binance especially does this. You will not be able to send out the funds immediately, okay, until few hours, and before this is over, everything will go back to normal. You can take advantage of this, like I said, if the token is if the exchange allow you send the token out immediately after launch. When a particular token is being listed, deposits are usually allowed, but withdrawals are not. So this is one way to take advantage of arbitrage. Wait for new listing before you jump into trying any arbitrage. Try to understand the fee, whether withdrawals are working, what is the price difference, how much you would eventually make, because like the P2P example I gave, okay, when you do P2P with as high as $10,000 or even $20,000 here, you're going to make money, okay? You might, get $500 or $1,000, which is something, okay? But not so many of us have this huge capital to start doing P2P. You can see somebody here wanting to sell 50 million naira. This is 50 million naira. So with 2 naira on it or with 1 naira on it, this person is already making money, okay? So the only way you can make something reasonable from P2P arbitrage is when you have huge funds, and without that, it is not going to profit you. So what is the point trying to do this process with 100,000, 500,000, which is not small money here, okay? But if you do this with even a million naira, you're not going to make more than 1,000 naira. That is really pathetic. Okay, so this is my view about arbitrage trading. I believe this video was helpful. Don't forget to, subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Yeah, go to the comment section as well, and let me know if you have been following our signals thus far. Have you been winning? All right, let us know if there is any cryptocurrency you want me to help you analyze. I will see to them as soon as I can. All right, thank you, and thank you for watching. See ya.